Hey everyone, I'm Zach from Buchanan's Native Plants, and today we're going to be talking about summer vegetables. Summer is a great time to plant, and there's a lot of options for summer vegetables. My favorite, and I feel like the easiest to start with, is peppers. Peppers can be grown in containers, raised beds, or directly into the ground. They want full sun, which is 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. They want soil with really good drainage and regular waterings. Similar to tomatoes, peppers can get large and need support. So you can use things like a tomato cage or stakes to support your pepper. Also similar to tomatoes, peppers are really heavy feeders. I recommend a good organic fertilizer like Microlife in both granular form and liquid form. In the granular form, I would fertilize it once every 3 to 4 weeks. And in the liquid form, you could hit it once every week or every time you water. When it comes time to harvest your peppers, you want to be aware of the color you're looking for and only pick it when it starts to show that color. Another really easy vegetable to grow in summer is okra. Okra is related to hibiscus. So in addition to tasty fruit, you also get showy flowers before they set fruit. When planting okra, you want to plant it in well-draining soil in an area where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sun. When planting okra seeds, you can pre-soak the seeds overnight to get a faster start, and you want to plant them in rows about 1 to 2 inches apart. When feeding okra, you want to use an organic fertilizer like Microlife in granular and liquid form. And when harvesting, you want to be sure not to harvest your fruit too late, which can lead to bitter, hard okra. Another fun summer vegetable is squash and zucchini. When sowing seeds, you want to plant 2 to 3 seeds about 1 inch down below the surface of the soil. And you want to plant them in well-draining soil in full sun, which is 6 to 8 hours of sun. A common issue that people have when growing squash and zucchini is the squash vine borer, which is an insect that attacks the plant at the base. Ways to prevent that would be good organic gardening. And when it comes time to harvest your squash and zucchini, you want to harvest them early for easy cutting recipes, or you can harvest late and use in recipes like zucchini muffins and bread. Another exciting vegetable to plant in summer is corn. Corn can be planted by seed at 1 to 2 inches deep, 2 to 3 inches apart. You want to do it in rows so that they grow in straight lines and can help cross-pollinate each other. You can also grow them from starts like we have here in the nursery. Like all the other vegetables we're talking about today, corn wants to be planted in full sun, minimum of 6 hours direct. Corn is also a fast grower that will benefit from regular fertilizing and frequent watering. A popular vegetable for summer with our customers is eggplant. Eggplant needs to be planted in full sun, minimum 6 hours, fertilized with organic fertilizer, and planted in well-draining soil, although it does need frequent watering. When planting eggplant by seed, you want to plant eggplant seeds in the top 1/4 inch of soil, about 2 to 3 inches apart. And when it comes time to harvest your eggplant, you want to harvest it by cutting it at the stem when it's shiny and not dull. Our final vegetable for summer planting is beans. Beans can come in a pole variety, which will need trellis support, or in a bush variety, which does not need support. When harvesting beans, you want to harvest them regularly and frequently to encourage continued growth. We recommend saving some of your bean pods to dry out and plant next year. Beans can be fast growing and benefit from regular organic feeding with an organic fertilizer like Microlife. I hope this video has given you some ideas for your own summer veggie garden. We're excited to see what you're planting in your garden, so tag us on social media. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to come by. Happy gardening.